Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Spoken Telugu class conducted by World Telugu Federation, Chennai. In today's class, we will learn Telugu names for birds and animals. First, let us know the names of birds. Birds, we say Pakshulu. Pichuka for sparrow. Pichuka means sparrow. Eagle, Gradda or Dega. Eagle, Gradda or Dega. Parrot, Chiluka. Parrot, Chiluka. Peacock, Nemali or Mayuramu. Dove, Pigeon, Pavuramu. Crow, Kaki. Owl, Gudlaguba. Swan, Hamsa. Duck, Batu. Kingfisher, Lakumuki Pitta. Flamingo, Rajahamsa. Penguin, Penguin. Woodpecker, Badrangi Pitta. Bat, Gabbilamu. Hen, Kodi. Maina, Goruvanka. Crane, Konga. Vulture, Rabandu. Nightingale, Pikilipitta. Cuckoo, in Telugu, we call it as Koyila. And now we will learn Telugu names for animals. Animals means in Telugu we call it as Jantuvulu. Animals, Jantuvulu. We have different types of animals. Wild animals, pet animals, animals which live in water, sea, and amphibians both in water and in land. So we will see now pet animals. Pet animals means Pempudu Jantuvulu. Kukka, dog. Pilli, cat. Avu or govu, cow. Buffalo, gede. Gadida, donkey. Meka, goat. Kundelu, rabbit. Pandi, pig. Gurramu, horse. Koti, monkey. Gurre, sheep. Ox, eddu. Now we will know the names of wild animals. For wild animals, we say Krura Jantuvulu. These generally they live in forest. Lion, Simham. Tiger, Puli. Cheetah, Chiruta Puli. Elephant, Enugu. Fox, Nakka. Wolf, Todelu. Bear, Elugubanti. Deer, Jinka. Hippopotamus, Neeti Enugu. Camel, Onte. Rhinoceros, Khadgamrugam. Zebra, Charala Gurram. These are names of birds and animals. Let's explore some more animals in part 2. If you have any doubts, please express your doubts in the comment section so that we will be able to clear your doubts. Thank you for your patient listening.